All Tathagatas have a senior disciple, whose name is called Samantabhadra, the Honoured One. I now transfer all good roots. May I perform deeds of wisdom like him. May my body, speech, and mind be constantly pure. All the practices and Buddha lands are also the same. Such wisdom named Samantabhadra, I vow to be equal to him. I will everywhere purify Samantabhadra's practices and the great vows of Manjushri. All their deeds I'll fulfill without exception and never feel tired till the end of the future kalpas. My cultivation is measureless, thus obtains infinite merit. Dwelling peacefully in the countless practices, realizing all spiritual powers. Manjushri has vigorous wisdom. Samantabhadra's wisdom and practices are also the same. I now transfer all good roots to follow them and study all constantly. All Buddhas of the 3 time periods praise such unsurpassed great vows. I now transfer all good roots to obtain the supreme practices of Samantabhadra. May I near the end of my life, eliminating all obstacles, facing Amitabha Buddha in person, instantly attain birth in the land of peace and bliss. Upon attaining birth in that land, I can fulfill such great vows. All is perfect and complete without exception to bring happiness and benefits to all realms of living beings. The assembly of Amitabha Buddha is completely pure. I then born out of the Supreme Lotus, witnessed the Tathagata of infinite light with my own eyes, and am bestowed a prediction of Bodhi. Upon receiving the prediction from the Tathagata, I then transform into countless hundreds of kotis of bodies, with the vast great power of wisdom encompassing the 10 directions, to universally benefit all realms of living beings, till the end of empty space and all worlds, and till the extinction of living beings and their karmic afflictions. As this have no end, neither do my vows. All the boundless lands in the 10 directions, I make offerings there to the Tathagatas with myriads of majestic jewels. I make offerings of unsurpassed peace and bliss to gods and humans throughout all kalpas like motes of dust in lands. If one can believe in these supreme kings of vows, just by passing through the ears once, to aspire for bodhicitta thirstily, to obtain unsurpassed merit, then one can constantly stay away from evil advisers and forever leave all the evil path, to speedily see the Tathagata of infinite light and perfect the supreme vows of Samantabhadra. Such person can easily obtain the blessings of a long life. Such person can obtain superior birth in the human realm. Such person will soon perfect and complete the practices of Samantabhadra. In the past, due to the lack of the power of wisdom, one commits the 5 unintermittent offenses of extreme evil. If one recites the great kings of vows of Samantabhadra, in one thought can instantly eliminate all evil, clan, race, class, appearance. One will perfect and complete good appearance and great wisdom. All demons and externalists cannot destroy him. He is worthy of receiving offerings by the triple realms. He will sit under the great Bodhi tree of kin, upon sitting already subduing all demonic beings, realizing the perfect enlightenment and turn the Dharma wheel to universally benefit all living beings. If one can read, recite, receive, uphold, and expound the vows of Samantabhadra, one's karmic fruit can only be known by the Buddhas. One will definitely attain the supreme path of Bodhi. If one recites the vows of Samantabhadra, I say this person has at least some good roots. In one thought, one can perfect everything and fulfill the vows of purifying living beings. My supreme practices of Samantabhadra, I universally transfer all the boundless supreme blessings. May all drowning living beings speedily return to the Buddha land of infinite light. At that time, Bodhisattva Samantabhadra Mahasattva, in front of the Tathagata, finished speaking these pure verses on the great kings of vows of Samantabhadra. The child Sudana jumped with boundless joy. All the Bodhisattvas were extremely joyous. The Tathagata praised him, saying, "Good indeed, good indeed." At that time, the World Honored One and all the sages and Bodhisattvas Mahasattvas spoke such supreme Dharma gate of the inconceivable state of liberation. All the great Bodhisattvas with Manjusri Bodhisattva as their leader, and all the 6,000 bhikkhus who had matured with Maitreya Bodhisattva as their leader, all the great Bodhisattvas of the worthy Kalpa, led by the Immaculate Bodhisattva Samantabhadra, all the great Bodhisattvas who in one lifetime replacement and who were at the position of appointing for all myriads of worlds in the 10 directions, all came together. All the Bodhisattvas Mahasattvas, as numerous as fine motes of dust in all seas of land, the great wise Shariputra, Mahavagayana, and so on, are the leaders of all the great sound hearers, Shavakas, and all the lords of worlds of humans and heavenly beings, heavenly dragons, Yakshas, Gandharvas, Asuras, Garudas, Kinnaras, Maharagas, humans, non-humans, and so forth, and all the beings, upon hearing what the Buddha had said, all filled with joy and bliss, they faithfully believed and accepted it, and upheld the practices.